Hey Beyond Style fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm cute and I make videos on beauty, fashion, and I also do lifestyle vlogs. I post videos every Sunday, so if you like what you see here, definitely hit that subscribe button down below and become a part of the fam. So without further ado, in today's video, if you can't tell by the title already, I have a quick little Amazon haul for you guys. These are some things that I picked up last year, like at the end of the year, and some things I'm using and I am loving, and then some things that I recently picked up that I think are going to be great. It's kind of random, so let's get started.
I hold on to my heart, share with nobody, I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart, give it up for nobody.
Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about are these necklaces that you see that I have on right now. This one is just like a little moon. This one has a circle, and then there is this like dangly piece, and I just kind of tucked it in my shirt. So if you like have something that is really low cut, that would be super cute to have. And I actually got a pack. It came obviously super fast because it was because I have Amazon Prime and it was on Prime, and they came in a box like this in these little individually kind of wrapped plastic bags. Honestly, this looks like a Coke bag to me, but I might be watching too much TV. But yeah, there's a bunch of little ones, and it was like $14, and I think I got like 12 different necklaces, and they're all super cute. Obviously, it's not real gold or anything like that, so it's going to tarnish over time, but like it was only $15, and it's really just for aesthetics because it's just cute. Like, they're really good for layering and things like that, and they're super dainty and really girly, so I really love these. And I'll try to make sure I link all of the things that I got in the description box below so you guys can actually see how all of the necklaces look on. But yeah, they just came in this little box, and yeah. All right, the next thing that I want to get into are some eyelashes. So as y'all know, if you've been watching me, I cannot put on my eyelashes. Like, the whole glue thing, it never works for me, and like my eyelashes are really curly, so it's just super duper hard, and it takes me like 30 minutes to put on lashes, and it's just too much. So I decided to pick up some magnetic lashes, and I picked these up on Amazon, and I have been wearing them. This is what the box looks like, and it is just by the brand Ari Shine, and it's just magnetic eyelashes. What it is, I'll show you guys what came in the box. So it came with these tweezer things, or not tweezers, but like, you know, the things that you can help put your lashes on. I don't know anybody who really uses them. Even people who put on normal eyelashes or eyelashes with glue, I just see people use their hands. So, but it's nice to have, and it's super cute in like a rose gold color. And it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lashes. The bottom ones are a little too dramatic for me, and the top ones are like not dramatic at all. So I really love the second set, and I think I'm gonna try the third set. They're all kind of different, as you can tell. And the magnets, I'll show you what the magnets look like as well. All you do is take the liner that it comes with, line your eye as if you would for doing a wing line or anything like that, and then you just pop this right on. Whatever is in this eyeliner, it has magnetic properties. So this is what that looks like. You can't really tell, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 magnets on here. Now, the only thing I don't like about these, and I've heard from other people, it's like all the same, the liner is like waterproof, and it might as well be everything else proof because I cannot get it off my eyes. So when I wear these, like, I like that it's super simple, but when I take it off and try to wash my eyes off, even with like micellar water, like some olive oil or something, like it does not, the liner does not come off. And I don't like scrubbing my eyes a lot, so that is one thing that I don't like about these. But the next day, I don't necessarily have to reline my eye. I can just pop the lash back on, and it'll stick because the eyeliner is still there. So, I mean, I guess it's convenient, but I would prefer to be able to wash everything off of my face. But yeah, so I do like these and I would definitely recommend them. They're super affordable as well and very easy to use, beginner friendly, because you know, I can't do lashes. So yeah, if you guys are interested in that, definitely pick those up and try them out. So the next thing that I want to talk about is something random again. My girl Bree said that she has been waist training because, you know, 2021, she's trying to look snatched. We're going places this year. We're not going to be locked down. It's going to be a whole vibe. So I picked up a waist trainer and it just looks like this. This is a corset type and it is by the brand Yeana. And it's just, I got it in the size small and there's three, I guess you can say, levels of intensity on how tight you want your corset to be. So I'm on level 1 for sure. When I first tried to put it on, I thought I needed a bigger size because it wasn't working. I literally was like, how did you get your waist trainer on? Because mine doesn't fit, like there's no way. But eventually, like, I got it on and now it's super easy and super simple to get on. And I've been wearing it for like, I want to say 2 weeks, and I definitely still feel like I'm on level 1. Maybe in like another week or 2, I'll be able to cinch it into the next one and then the next one. But yeah, I just got this. I do work out as well, so it's just going to help, you know, enhance my figure a lot quicker. And yeah, I wear it like 4 hours a day as well, if you're wondering. What else? Okay, let's get into some clothes. The next thing I have is this dress, which looks like this. It is, it stops above my knees. It is black and white. It's polka dot, and then it has a tie waist. You guys can't really see what it looks like, but I will try to put a little picture in here what it looks like on. I'm going to be using this in a styling video with some Gucci tights that I got, so you guys can kind of get the full look. But yeah, I got this in a size small. The brand isn't on here, and it is kind of, I don't know if you'll be able to see. The material isn't like thick at all. It's like that crepe material, and you can kind of see through it. Yeah, I can see through it. But when it's on, you can't tell that it's see-through, so that's super, super nice. And yeah, this is just the dress. I like that it's long sleeve, but it's not a long dress, and it hits right above my knee. And I think that looks really nice, and it's super flattering with some like little booties and things like that. So yeah, I picked this up, and I think the quality is really good as well. I know, like, in the past, I always look at the Amazon clothes, and I'm like, I don't know about that. Like, And of course, because you know where they come from, like the sizing is different. So I'm always hesitant to buy clothes online from a new place because it's really hard for me to get clothes that fit perfectly. And I'm just not the person that wants to go and return things, especially by mail. Like, it's just not for me. So if I buy it and it doesn't fit, I'll either give it away, throw it away, or it'll sit in my closet. But that actually fits, so I guess the sizing for this dress was actually accurate, if you're wondering, and you're my size small. All right, the next thing that I want to talk about is another clothing item, and I absolutely love these. I got these last week, and they are bomb. So the brand is Yoko, something like that. I got these in a size small, and they are some black sweats, and they have a cuffed bottom, drawstring that is actually functional, and then it has 2 pockets, obviously. So that's what these look like. But the best part is in the inside, because it is lined with like this Sherpa super, super soft material. So if y'all want to be cozy and warm, definitely pick these up. I got these off of Amazon as well, so I'm super excited that I have these because they're so warm, especially like when we take trips down to the snow or like down to Oregon where it's a lot colder, but we do a lot of outside things and sit by the fires. Normal sweats don't work. Like, the wind just cuts right through them, and my legs are always cold. But these, with this material, oh my god, they're so thick, so soft. You need them. Definitely pick them up. I highly recommend. And they were pretty affordable as well. And then obviously I just got the color black because you can pair it with anything. All right. The next thing I want to talk about is what I have on right now, which is this cardigan. It's in a gray color, and as you can see, it is just the most luxurious, super soft, super fluffy thing that you can have. I literally wear this every day. Like, I don't have any other jackets, I don't have any other cardigans. This is the only one that I have, and this is the only one that I wear now. So it also comes with the hood, which I'll put on for y'all. Like, how cute. No, seriously though, like, how cute is this? And you can even tell, like, in the camera, you can see how fluffy it is. I'll get closer so you guys can see as well what the material looks like up close, as well as the hood. And it has, I guess you can say, like a dark gray trim around it. It does have pockets as well, and the pockets are a decent size, and I just love it. It's super cute, super cozy. I'm telling you guys, I wear it every day. I put on like a tank top and I throw this on and I go sit in front of my desk to work, and it's just everything. So yeah, I really love it. I'll link this in the description box below as well. I did pick this up in a size medium because I wanted more of an oversized fit, and they have a bunch of different colors. The next color I want to get is like a nude color, but that one was sold out. So I'm waiting for that one to come back in stock because I don't want this one to get all raggedy and stuff because I'm wearing it every day. All right, the next thing that I want to talk to you guys about is my hair. So as you can see, I am wearing a lace front wig. I want to say this is in 16, maybe like 18 or 20 inches. So it comes like here to me if I like stretch it out or if I straighten it. Yeah, if you guys are wondering, my wig, it is from Amazon, and it was like $150. It's in this like oof, where's my water? Parched. Okay, yeah. So it's like $150, and I go to my stylist, who is amazing, by the way. She just braids me down, bleaches the knots, and then plucks it and kind of customizes it for me. And I like to do the glueless method so that I can maintain it at home. So all I did was, I've had this wig as well for like 2.5 weeks, I think now, like 2.5, 3 weeks. It is super nice. I like it. I don't have any problems with it. It does shed, like all hair sheds, so like it's not a big deal to me. The only thing is, like, if I'm patting my head like this when it itches, it does kind of get like a little matted right there, but I just kind of comb it out and it is fine. I don't have anything in it today except for like water and like a tiny bit of conditioner because I didn't feel like being bothered with it. But with this type of curl pattern, you really don't have to do much, and it still kind of looks really pretty, like bedhead, but make it cute. So this is the wig, and I'll make sure to try and link it in the description box below. So if you guys want to know more about this wig and like the specs and things like that, I know I didn't really get into that, definitely leave a comment down below and ask me, and I'll make sure to answer you because I don't remember everything off top. Like I said, I've been wearing this for about 2 to 3 weeks, and you know, it is what it is. I'm not like a hair expert or anything like that, but I can definitely answer the questions if you ask me. So I think that is everything that I have for today's little haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments below what your favorite item was. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.